Albatrosses are large seabirds known for their incredible flying abilities. They have the longest wingspan of any bird, with some species reaching up to 12 feet. This long wingspan allows them to glide effortlessly over the ocean for hours or even days without flapping their wings. Albatrosses spend most of their lives at sea, only returning to land to breed. They are known for their strong bonds with their mates, often forming lifelong partnerships. Their diet mainly consists of squid, fish, and krill, which they catch, while gliding over the ocean. Albatrosses are at risk due to plastic pollution and fishing practices, which endanger their populations. Conservation efforts are focused on reducing bycatch and protecting their breeding habitats.